Everyone, welcome to this wonderful talk show. I don't really want to waste much of your time today, but I just want to shift in one or two words. Yes, I am Agatha Progress on YouTube, and I just wanted to share this video and let it go viral. At times, we are really having a lot of problem in the country called Nigeria, but we never really realize it. I really want to talk to where I am most concerned. That is the southeast part of Nigeria. Yes. I just want to talk one or two words into our governors. If you record what Muhammadu Buhari said, his last interview yesterday, he made a point. He gave the go-ahead to the Southeast governor, or rather, all governors in Nigeria. What did he say? He said, hey, you are waiting for me to come and fight insecurity for you. You have to take the bull by the horn. Fight for yourself. Fight for yourself. I'm like, for real? Now, what will you do as a governor? The person that you so much delight on, the person that you so much give all your totality, the person that you so much respect, the person that when he did not talk, you are not permitted to talk. Now the person has given you the go-ahead, said, go ahead and do the needful. Now you can see what Ebonyi State governor did. He have already taken his own decision. And I am waiting for a lot of governors to stand up and take their own decision as well. What will you do to protect your people? Does that mean that we have been sleeping? Yes, that is what it means, that you have been sleeping. You don't expect the president to do everything for you. That is what he has told you. That is indirectly what he has told you. And so, are you ashamed of yourself? The time you should have protected your people, you are chasing shadows. A lot of lives has gone down. A lot of killings has taken place. Hunger in the land, famine in the land, sickness in the land. You are waiting for presidents. Now that you are waiting for president.
Hello, Fulani people, now gather hard, do finish. Now, because they send letter, they can't give our Delta State governor. So make it come out in hand, come out for Opu Gracie, or they make it see come out himself as the leader of the 70 state governors for South. Make I see tell you now, even Governor Kowasef go also become the leader of the Northerners governors very soon, in case una not just know. That one they talk say, una they read the rake, una they mad where, una not say anything to do, una say make una call do this. Now yes, some group of traders carry body say that they sell onions, say they not go sell, they not go sell onions, give any South again. Say now do this. When I go with onions, now we not get food with the shop before. No. That one not even the one they put the first me now. Fulani people they gather hearts now. They open mouth, they tell our governor, say, we prepare, give our governor 72 hours. Say within Sabanagbo, they will take a carry problem. Where we say others say like Benue, Kaduna, Katsina they face. Make I tell you now, we know the wrong. We know the wrong. It's a selective Dr. Ifan your auto kowa. I won't take God tell you, me from you say, with that task. Your people, your youth, we dey behind you, Kakarakala, Aso Rock, like Zuma Rock, everywhere balance. If the Fulani, make I just Fulani these people wanna say the like say Delta State na ancestral land, we go know where they plant on a placenta food for here. If they plant on a placenta for this Delta State, we go know. You dey hear me so? Wanna never know. Governor Ifan your auto Okowa. First of all, use your voice. Block all the oil here where they supply all here to the northern states them. Make them know say Delta now the big heart, the reason why we there. They still remind them about the 1999 crisis for Warri. The reason why Warri was a lockup, the system with a fair problem. Even this one with the hungry, we not get joy. His Excellency, not fear at all. He formed them very well. That person, that letter they write so. Not take prepare. I look the letter, whether not fake or whatever. Yeah. Concentrate on the letter. Put our men on guide. Make all the whole community security, they made a balance because enough is enough. And all the Fulani jihadists or whatever. If any fowl will die for any community, from the date at which on a that later, go give our governor for the 72 hours. If even small fowl will die, when I go no say, death hands, not get joy.
I have Alhaji Musa Mohammed, the Hardo of Delta States. Here with me, we have Alhaji Musa Mohammed, the Mieti Allah Chairman in the state. Here with me, we have Abubakar Haruna, one of the leaders in Delta State. With me, we have Alhaji Hussaini Haruna, the Serki Fulani in the state. Also with me, one of the special assistants to the governor in the name of Alhaji Musa. Yesterday, it was a very, very, very sad story for the leadership of Fulani in Delta State. We wake up, we now see the media, what is going on. We are very, very disappointed, and we are calling to the government and the security agents in the state to know we are not parcel and parcel of that nonsense that is happening. We are Nigerians, we have a good understanding we are with our host community, and we are calling on the government to make sure they fish out those people that are publicating that thing. We are not part of this. We can never be part of this. We are in very understanding with our peace community. And we must have to thank the governor for accepting us any day, anytime. We are accepted in the state more than our own state. So I want to call the people that they must have to be peace-loving people, not to create unnecessary tension. Because when you check out what is happening yesterday and today, all our Fulanis, they were panicking. They were expecting the community can attack them at any time, which they don't know what is happening. So I cannot talk all, have some of our leaders here who have to say one or two things to tell the world that we condemn this act with all ratification. We are not part of it. We don't intend to fight anybody. We are love-peacing people. Thank you so much.
What's your name, please?
My name is Alhaji Mukhtar Usman, SSC to the governor in charge of special duty.
Come again, please.
My name is Alhaji Mukhtar Usman, the senior special assistant to the governor in charge of special duties.
Everything you answer for, okay, let us talk.
Let us answer the question.
Okay. Let's follow your name.
My name is Alhaji Musa Mohammed. That is part of Delta State.
Your name is Your name is
leaders in Delta State. So, what did we hear about this matter? We don't know about this matter because we are here for more than 40 something years. So we don't get problem for Delta State. So we come here this matter. Our Fulani, everybody don't fear. So that this matter, I beg our governor, we don't know about this matter. I beg, make them find who talk this matter so that government will find out. Fulani matter, this is where peace. I beg, we will not get any problem for Delta State because now here we dey, now here our children we dey, now here our everything, now here we the job, now here we go to drink. We can't get trouble, find problem for Delta State. I beg. Thank you very much.
The next one follow.
Everybody.
Your name,
My name is Abubakar Aruna. I'm the leader for our people planning for the Delta. I hear the thing what will happen. We ourselves, nobody, our people say they can't attack another person or governor. That will not be true. Every day they want our boy for that team. The team, if you know that thing happen now, they use our power. Now you will do more than something years we did there. We will not find trouble. Would they help anything? But no, they want to do with the help. With the pray bomb, no making them go in. We don't want problem from other people. Now here they our teeth. Would they children, our cow, our everything are here. They know anybody, any our plan will say one come attack another person or governor town. No be like, no be true, not lie. No be our people they do that one. Make the governor try to find people where they can't do that kind when they need John trouble, they need come done our people trouble, we no want trouble. Still, we never do trouble with that Delta people. We dey peaceful to them. And now the thing can't happen. That in all our people, then they fear now. We don't know whether other people they can't attack them. So they fear for that one again. That will not be true. Yes.
All right.
Everybody, good afternoon. Me, Alhaji Hussein Saki, but we don't for Delta State. Now here we born one children. The governor, you know, say we like peace with the governor. No one problem for their Delta. Every day we go pay for things. Make peace go there for Delta. We no one problem. Now we be here for Philadelphia. Nobody when they come will be red bad thing for the government. Government better person. Thank you very much.
My name is Alain Musa, the SS Special DC, don't know the type of war. At this morning time, I hear something like, you see, Fulani people go attack community, this go attack government house. Which Fulani people get power for himself? He say go attack, he will go attack government house, go attack community. We and the Muntar Usman with our Ardo, every week I go work out local government to local government about this. This matter now, another people, the Biafra people, they see Delta is safe peace. Now I correct this matter. Can't say Delta make a get problem, say na Fulani. Fulani no concern with bad things. The security agent, you know about myself. Any bad citizen enter our Delta so we arrest, go use security agent because of this. The government know about myself, they know about this our Fulani people. I don't get wahala with anybody. No anybody will come say spoil my name Fulani name for Delta State. This matter here na lie. Na story. Na story another people can go. Which Fulani can enter town go get a general go say bring all 50 go do this matter. No any Fulani can do that for Delta State. We are can beg government for Delta State make a get Fulani school this thing in Nimadi. Why the people can beg make a get Nimadi? Why can say go attack and go attack another thing? Since Obori, Fulani Delta go react out of Delta State. No any person can enter for another side say what's for our Delta.